Unpacking, run into the ground, a guide to understanding and using this phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on understanding the phrase, run into the ground. This phrase is commonly used in English conversations, but its meaning can be a bit confusing for learners. Today, we're going to break it down, explore its usage, and help you get comfortable with incorporating it into your own English speaking and writing. Let's dive in. The phrase, run into the ground, can be used in two main contexts, literal and figurative. Literal meaning, this is less common but straightforward. It refers to actually driving or pushing something into the earth or ground. For example, a post being run into the ground during fence construction. Figurative meaning, more commonly, it's used metaphorically to describe a situation where something is overused, exhausted, or thoroughly depleted, often to the point of no longer being functional or viable. This could apply to concepts, objects, or even people. To better understand how run into the ground is used, let's look at some examples. In work context, he ran the project into the ground by ignoring all advice and overworking his team. This means the project failed because of mismanagement and exhaustion of resources. In relationships, she ran that joke into the ground. It's not funny anymore. Here, it means a joke has been repeated so many times that it has lost its humor. Personal well-being, I ran myself into the ground trying to meet the deadline. This indicates a person has overworked to the point of exhaustion. Understanding synonyms can help you recognize the same idea expressed differently. Here are some synonyms for run into the ground: overwork, exhaust, deplete, burnout. These terms can often be used interchangeably, depending on the context, adding variety to your English expression. Today, we explored the phrase, run into the ground, looking at its meanings, usage, and related expressions. Remember, the key to mastering English idioms and phrases is practice and exposure. Try using run into the ground in your conversations or writing, and observe how it's used in the content you consume. We hope this video has illuminated this common English phrase for you. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.